Hi Professor, I am Earth. This clip video gonna talk about peer-to-peer connection. First, I need to tell you something that I can't run this code. I can run only on the client part, but not the server. The reason why I cannot run it because of the virtual environment that I try to install it, but it still cannot work. It still gets some error. Even I try to uninstall it and install it again. I already uninstalled it and I install it and I try to use it. It still gets some error. Then I cannot. Then it's just like coming and gone. It's show nothing. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about the coding part. Okay, I'm gonna talk on the server first. First we import the socket and give the known port as 50002 and give it the socket to binding. This is the socket to connect to the renderwas code renderwas server. The IP address is 0.0.0.0 and this is the port, and then get in while true. We're gonna collect IP address from the client and source port and destination port, and then after we collect it, we're gonna print show the client that it's gonna show on the server that connect from that is 50001. It's gonna be the client port, and then it's gonna show that it's ready. And the maximum client is 2. They're gonna be in the same port 5001 to be connect as peer-to-peer. And this part is gonna send to client to show the IP address, source port and destination port. And on the client code, first we import the library and this renderwas server, this IP address and port, and it's gonna show it should be shown that it's connecting to renderwas server and binding to the same socket as 50001. And then after it's connected, it's gonna be displayed as ready, and then it's gonna be displayed as check in with server and waiting, and it's gonna show that code peer show IP address, source port and destination port, and then it's punch hole, and this is for the socket binding, and then it will print that it's ready to exchange message, and this for the listen from the 5001 port, and then it's gonna exchange exchange the data from each client, client 1 to client 2 and client 2 to client 1.